Ka Agatha ke Sangma kala Shimti kat kum ka rukom ya ka kam Jong ka Chairperson ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights lani ka Scpcr ha Meghalaya. Haka jing ai jingren ka baningkong Jong ka shakilat pathai khubor kala jawab ya ki jing sha kentho ki balami halor ka jing thung kam ya ka bat kala penpau ya ka jing scam jing mut man pen i ling ba ki kam. Kasang makalat kedo ya ka jing angnut Jong ka bantrei na ka benta ka baha kamiat Jong ki kelung kena bat ya ka jing don kam ban ya trei lang khnang ban pentik kena ya ka jing shingan Jong ki. Wat la ka jing bam shat kamet kala pen slam ya ka ban Shimti ya ka kam Henry kala pen pau ya ka jing kwa ban no sinyang hakikam Jong ka commission.
See, I have no comments on that either because, whatever you do, there will always be criticism. Honestly, I'm here to show my work and hopefully in the coming time, my work would speak for itself. It's not necessarily about nepotism or anything, but I personally feel that I've always had a very soft corner for children and they're my favorite people in the world and I'm very excited to work. So let people say whatever, so I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity.